You may not know how EV brakes work. This Tesla has a regenerative braking system, which means when you take your foot off the acceleration pedal, the car already starts braking. This is because unlike traditional brakes that use friction to stop, the regen brakes use the vehicle's EV motor to create resistance to slow down, then takes that lost energy and heat and captures it to increase the vehicle's driving range. Check out Tesla's power meter and the center screen on the Model 3. This type of braking system does extend the life of the brakes, but it's still a wear item and needs to be replaced when the time comes. This Tesla owner is tired of the surface rust on the rotors and is also sick of cleaning his wheels from the brake dust. So we can upgrade those brakes with a Z23 Evolution Sport Brake Kit from Powerstop Brakes. These Evolution-coated rotors resist that rust and corrosion for long-lasting braking. Plus, the Z23 carbon fiber ceramic brake pad material is low-dust formula and noise-free to keep the wheels looking their best. As always, the Powerstop kit comes with all the stainless steel hardware you need to do the job quick and easy. This tip is brought to you by Powerstop. Brake upgrades made easy.